doing, G-Man?
Laying my go-kart down with aircraft.
Aircraft stripper?
Yeah.
Spray it on thick. Supposed to work within 45 minutes and take it to bare metal. If this don't take it off, nothing will. We'll have to get it sandblasted. What you doing, Gray?
I'm putting on some aircraft paint stripper.
Second round.
But this time it's the liquid one.
The liquid thick stuff. Yeah, the other stuff wrinkled it up, but it's not coming all the way off, so.
White.
Yep. More steps. How's it going, G?
Good. I got way too much, but it's perfect. You need a bunch of this stuff.
Yeah, you really do.
This paint is thick because it's been painted over so many times.
Yeah, and it's also, what, 61 years old? How's it going there, G?
Good.
What you doing? Wire brushing?
Mm-hmm.
About time to get the hose out, isn't it?
Yeah.
See how much of this crap we can get off of here. Getting all the big flaky stuff off.
Yeah.
Here's a cool one out at my brother's house. This belonged to my uncle and my brother bought it. It's I believe 1950 or 51 Ford 4000. It's over here in the old dirty barn, but really cool. Has the scoop on it. The legs on the bucket are actually part of the hydraulic system. They're the tank. Really neat old tractor. What's going on, bud?
Awesome.
Getting her all scraped.
Mm-hmm.
Think about as much of this paint that wants to come off is off. We just got to get the last bits of loose stuff off. Next time we'll sand it where we need to, and we're gonna probably take the wheels and tires and spindles and pedals and steering shaft off of it so we can paint all that separate.
Sandblast it.
It's getting there. Yeah, we got most of the paint stripped off of it. The last little bit we'll sandblast or sand, but it's getting there, right, G?
Yep.
Good job today, bud.